Hey, what's up? I'm Jeff Long. Welcome to the Internet Income System, and congratulations on getting access to our free digital marketing academies as well as our free live trainings. Every single week we are live with you 4 times a week. So let's just start right there. I want to make sure you know how to attend our live Zooms, and I want to make sure you know how to get access to the free on-demand training that we have available for you. So around this video, you're going to see 2 buttons. The first button is going to take you over to our live stream schedule, which you'll do here in a minute. And the second button will take you to our free on-demand academies. All right, let's check out our live stream schedule. As you can see here, we are live with you 4 times a week to make sure that you get all the information that you need to create internet income. So first, we are live with you on Mondays for Mindset Mondays with Chris Record. On Tuesdays, Toolset Tuesdays with myself, Jeff Long. And then on Wednesdays, we have Workshop Wednesdays. Again, we got Chris Record rocking the house right now with these. And we have every intention on bringing other trainers in up from the community. So if you have an interest in that, just reach out to us and we can talk about it. First, we have our Super Zoom Thursdays with Chris Record. And this is a value-packed free session on cutting-edge internet marketing strategies to help you make money online. Basically, we bring it all together every Thursday. Monday, you get the mindset training. Tuesday, you get the tool set and technology training. Wednesday, you get to actually put that together for an actual over-the-shoulder look at putting these things to work, actually using them. And then on Thursdays, we talk strategy and making sure that you know exactly how to create internet income with us. To get access to the Zooms at the times that we go live, you can click on Access Live Zoom right here, or we've made it even simpler for you, and you can just go to iiszoom.com. For any reason you cannot attend our live trainings, it's all good. We actually want to encourage you to come over here to our free courses. These are our on-demand free trainings that we've made available to you. And as you can see here, most of this training is provided from the brilliant mind of 8-figure marketing legend Chris Record. Here in the On-Demand Free Training Center, you're going to see all of the replays from each of the live Zooms that we do every single week. So for example, we'll pop in here to Mindset Mondays. You can see each of the replays. You watch them here, just normal, very simple. Just press play, enjoy. And as you complete trainings, you're just going to click on Mark Complete right here, and that'll help you keep track of your progress. Coming back over to our free academies, let's pop over into Faceless Content Academy. We're actually going to learn some incredible strategies on generating traffic, leads, and sales using faceless channels, faceless social media channels and profiles. This is an incredible way to get results as an affiliate marketer, and Chris is going to walk you all the way through it, step by step, and he's going to do it for free. Now you'll notice on the right-hand side, or if you're on a mobile, it's going to be down below, we've got our related tools and resources. At the very top of every training, you're going to notice we have a Facebook group card here that you can click on, and you can actually come join the actual conversation happening on Facebook about this particular training. And then of course below that, we have our recommended tools that are talked about in the training and that you are being led through so that you know exactly how to use these tools and how to get results with them. So you're going to always want to check those out. Just click on Learn More. So that'll pop you over here to an internal information page that we have about every single offer in our marketplace. You'll notice you could just scroll through, you can read about it. We have some screenshots posted for most of these, and then down below you'll notice that we have testimonials. Nothing tells the truth more about a product than other people's experience with it. So make sure that you check out all our testimonials and provide your own. I'll actually tell you how to do that later on as you browse through the back office. So of course, when it comes time for you to actually get access to the tool, you're going to click this button right here, Get Access, and it'll take you over using the affiliate link that you're supposed to be using according to how the system works. Okay, so that's our free courses, and of course you can go ahead and meet your mentors. Here's a profile of Chris Record, and these are all of the trainings that Chris is part of. So you're welcome to come over here to our instructors, check out all of our other instructors. We got me, Kat Sullivan, Michael Crouch. These are incredible people. Come get to know them and make sure that you check out any trainings that they are part of. Now, just real quick, popping into our marketplace, you can see these are all of the products that we have available inside of the system. At any moment, you can come in and just say, I just want to learn more about that particular offer. Again, it's going to take you to our information page about that offer. You just read through. Some of them have videos, so you can check out the video. We've got screenshots here, any additional videos, and then, of course, all the testimonials, other people's experience with the product. Somewhere around this video, you're going to see a button to click on, and you're going to click that button. It's going to take you over to check out that particular offer, and you can get set up with it so that you can follow along with any of the trainings and implement the information being taught so that you can get the results that you seek. So if you're interested in actually creating internet income with us and joining our free affiliate program where you're going to earn 30 to 50% commissions, again, there's no cost to be an affiliate. This is not a pay-to-play program. You don't have to spend any money to make money with us. All you're going to do is come over here, click on Create Income, click on Create here to continue affiliate onboarding. Onboarding video I'm going to take you through, come through these 3 simple steps, and then boom, you are now an affiliate with Internet Income System. And you now can actually create more than full-time internet income, and you can do it using and following all the strategies and using the tools that we provide right here in this system. All right, congratulations once again on making it in, and I'll see you in the next videos.